Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Eds, your international realtor, here helping our kababayans find their dream home sa Pilipinas. Alam mo, minsan iniisip natin na owning a house, it's so hard and too expensive. Pero hindi pala. That's why I'm so excited to share this. Kasi may house and lot kami sa Santa Ignacia, Tarlac na sobrang affordable. We called it Sunnyvale. When I first heard about Sunnyvale, I was really surprised kasi you can already reserve your own house and lot for only 5,000 peso per month, around 85 USD. And the monthly for as low as 3,600 per month. Converted into dollar, $62 lang. That's like a price of a coffee and a snack for a month. Pero dito, every payment goes to your own house. Sunnyvale is located in Santa Ignacia, Tarlac, a peaceful town with fresh air, quiet surrounding, and that relaxing provincial lifestyle. Malapit din sa school, markets, and main roads. So kahit probinsya, convenient pa rin. Ang sarap ng feeling na uuwi ka sa bahay na sayo na talaga, hindi lang uupahan. The house is designed is simply but beautiful. May living area, kitchen, bedroom space, and you can even expand it later on. Perfect for small families, first-time homeowners, or OFW na gusto ng sariling bahay sa Pilipinas. Imagine, after all your hard work sa abroad, may uuwian ka na talaga na sarili mong bahay. So kung matagal ka nang nangangarap na magkaroon ng bahay sa Philippines, this could be the one perfect for you. With just 5,000 peso or 85 USD to reserve and 3,600 peso, 62 USD per month, you can already start your journey to owning a home. Message me anytime. I'll personally help you with the process. From inquiry to ownership. Madali lang yan. May tutulong sa'yo. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affordable and home condo updates sa Philippines. Once again, this is Eds, your international realtor, always here to help our kababayan find not just a house, but a home. See you in my next one!